So I do not own the rights to any of this music that's playing in the background, but I was about to leave, y'all, and some cards fell out from my index card, and when I pulled them out, you won't believe it was the StarBoy, fire sign in reverse, 11th house Aquarius. I'm gonna tell you what I got from this too. Ancestor, what? Aware of betrayal without evidence was in reverse. Heart chakra was in reverse. The 10th house Capricorn public image was like that. Paramedics fell out. Do strong. Stockbroker, fire sign. Tax specialist, a water sign. Ancestor, that or ancestors have been waiting for you. That was in reverse. 12th house Pisces, subconscious karma. Astro body. Okay, so somebody who's in the public eye, who's a star with the 11th house, their friendship and their group, the people who they bond with, the people that they love, they're not using their discernment when it comes to these people. It's time for them to change up, and somebody could be in the middle of changing this because maybe it's been brought to their attention. But their fire sign, with the fire sign, it should be upright, which is passion, energy, transformation, courage, strength, and growth. Where this person is losing that passion, this person is losing that drive. This could be a fire sign or Aquarius. This could be a Aquarius with fire sign is a sun, moon, and rising. Or this could be a person that's a fire sign that's seen as the Aquarius by their friend group or other people. They're losing passion and energy is because they're not aware of the evidence, which is the betrayal. They have people betraying them and backstabbing them, making back deals. You have people gossiping, talking about them. You have people sending people towards their way. This person's not aware of this, and the reason why is because their heart chakra is not healed. They're not open. They are doing stuff out of a lustful way, a sexual way. So somebody could have put a lustful spirit on them, which, if they don't know about spirituality, these people don't know. So with this image that they have, which Aquarius, because 10th house fell up under 11th house, so it's how they perceive goals. This person needs to realign their thought because the friend groups and the people they're aligned with don't have their best interest. And ancestors in reverse, the ancestors are waiting on them, but they don't feel like, because they lost passion, too scared to hustle. You, what I told y'all in the last video. Bitch, shut up and kill me. Bitch, shut up and kill me. Yeah, I love this. I love this song. It's perfect. It's perfect imperfection. So this person could be seen as perfect, and it's funny that this song is playing because it said this person. It just said, he said, I'm an introvert, but it comes off as this person. I can feel this person. They feel overwhelmed. They feel stressed. They feel like why they're doing this. They lost the passion. They lost the drive. They could be thinking about money or how people see them. They need to reassociate their friend groups and their family and their aspiration. And sometimes it comes with change and responsibility. This person feel like they have a lot on them, but they got a lot of people they need to kick out their camp. And that's all I'm going to say. This person, you or this person could be astral traveling towards you, because it's a astral body. So a non-physical counterpart of a physical human body. Body of the light, astral projector. This could be somebody that's trying to get your attention, or you guys could be connecting. That the astral body could be connecting. Because I'm also talking about two people. One, you guys could be the 11th house, and one can be the 10th house. One of you guys could be working with Capricorn energy, which we know Capricorn is on a tarot card, it's the devil. It's what you bind yourself with. That's why people need to clean their camp and get everybody out their house. Cleanse your house. This is somebody that always have a full house. Get all that negativity out of your house. Baby, clean your house. Your house look clean, but that spirit in there ain't clean, baby. You need to open up the Psalms and get you a clear prayer. Because, yeah, this ain't it. And then I got Saturn energy here twice. Let me pull up this. And then it's 1:11 on the clock. This is a new growth, new opportunity. This is something that somebody needs to do. And Saturn energy is discipline, responsibility, and karma. It's also associated with lessons, perseverance, and structure, and teaching the importance of patient, hard work, and confronting reality. So what I told you, somebody's not aware of something, their heart is broken. Somebody, they're not open, they're not aligned. So because you're not open and you're not aligned, you're not aware of people that you actually love and care for doing stuff like this towards you. You need to learn from a mistake, overcome obstacles, and outgrow adversity, ultimately leading to a greater sense of maturity and wisdom. So somebody who's not, you don't have wisdom yet, you're not wise. You're going through a spiritual warfare. And this person can be a fire sign, which is like Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Also, this could be a person that's Aquarius or Capricorn, but the cards, how they fell, fire sign fell right after. So somebody's a fire sign or somebody's Aquarius. But I'm getting fire sign. Y'all, why I know who this reading for? Y'all, why I know who this reading for? No, like real shit, y'all thinking y'all. I found out, I had to realize what the hell I said right here with the fire sign, and then what I said in the 10th and 11th house, and then StarBoy. Somebody lost touch with who they used to be because they didn't got some type of fame and money, and maybe your ancestors is reminding you. Yeah, somebody's having a tax cut or something. Okay, maybe it's time. Somebody needs to get with their tax specialist and stockbroker to understand where majority of their money going and what they need to invest in. Like, share, and subscribe.